Hi everyone. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to tell you one of the important question that will be posed during an ETL or Informatica interview or a SQL interview. So one of the this question is like it will be posed like, what is the difference between exists operator and in operator? So I've made a document here. I'll be sharing if anyone needs this. So first let's go through the points of the differences between the two, and I've given some examples also over here. We'll look into it. So exists this cannot compare the values between the subquery and parent query. So whatever I'll show you an example. So if you see here, select star from customers where exists, and in the subquery we have given like select star from orders table where orders dot customer id equals to customer dot customer id. So the subquery will give all the records where the orders table customer id is matching with the customers table customer id, and out of this on this we are going to do the parent query. So what this exist does is, whatever, like if at least one record if this subquery is able to give, so this exists is a boolean operator. So it works like a boolean operator. If the subquery is able to at least give a single row, then it will issue true to the parent query, else it will issue false to the parent query. So yeah, if you see here, the output of exists can be either false or true. So with the help of exists, we'll be able to determine if any values are returned or not with the help of our subquery. Okay, and one of the other and another thing is like, once this second, I'll pause for a while and get back. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I had to attend the call. Uh, so if you see the last point, once the single positive condition is met in the exist condition, then the SQL engine will stop the process. What it means is like, let's say our subquery has returned some three records or four records. So as soon as it finds that a first record is returned, it will not check if like the other records are returned or not. Its only work is to check if rows are returned by, or not by the subquery. So you can say it like it's like a filter condition compared to a a filter transformation compared to a router transformation. So in filter transformation, it will check only for one condition, whereas in router transformation, it will check multiple conditions, right? So similarly, like that, it is going to see only if a record is returned or not. How many records? It is not going to scan all through those records. So now if you go for in, it compares the values between the subquery and the parent query. So let me show you an example for this. So if you see here, my subquery is select customer ID from orders table. So what my parent query is doing, select all those details from customers table, like wherever that the id is in from that orders table, whatever we get ids. So for all those ids we are going to get the respective details from the customers table. Okay. The output of in operator can be either true or null or false. And as I said, in operator works similar to a router. Router is nothing but it is checking for multiple conditions. So it's similar to an OR operator. That's what here it is mentioned, can be used as a multiple OR operator. So, like as I said, exist checks doesn't scan through all the records that are returned by the subquery. It only checks if at least one record is returned or not. Whereas it is completely opposite in the case of in. It will scan through all the values. Like let's say in this example, if I got five customer IDs from orders table, So the parent query is going to get all those details from the customers table of all the five records that are returned by the subquery. Okay, so that's it for this. If you tell this much, this is more than sufficient. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please hit like and share it. Thank you.